In this tutorial, I will teach you a unique way to make money for yourself as a broke beginner without any experience or resources required. All of the tools and platforms that you'll need to pull this off are included in this step-by-step video. And so if you're as excited as I am to make money, then let's go ahead and dive into it. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If achieving financial freedom is your goal, or if you're looking for ways to help yourself become more financially savvy, then you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. Give us a like, a share, and also consider subscribing to the channel, and let's grow our bank accounts together. With that said, let's go make some money. To start making money with today's strategy, we're first going to this website called freeplrdownloads.com. It's a site where you can download thousands upon thousands of ebooks, and as the name suggests, it's completely free. If you're not familiar with what PLR is or how it works, well, the acronym stands for Private Label Rights, and it's a license where an author allows users to alter existing content and market it as their own. These include ebooks, but can also include articles and videos. The intellectual property rights are given up so that the user can do as he or she pleases with the material. This means that once you've gained access to a PLR file, you can edit it freely, you can change it up, add or delete things from it, sell it, or even give it away for free. The sky's the limit. Now, on this site, you'll find all the different categories that you can find ebooks to download. The ones in bold are the most popular ones and include affiliate marketing, beauty blogging, business, ClickBank, email marketing, finance, health, and so on. For today's strategy, we want to focus specifically on how to make money online. And to do that, you can simply search those exact keywords by typing them up on the search bar over here. And voila, you can access all of these free downloadable ebooks in the specific niche that you want. Now, you can just browse this list quickly and select whichever you think looks good. Let's say I want to pick this one called Let's Make Money Online. So all I have to do would be to click on it and scroll down until I see the download button. Click on that and I get it for absolutely free. So now with our ebook on hand, we can now head on over to the next platform that we're using today, and it's digistore24.com. I have talked about this platform a few times on this channel before, and just in case some of you haven't already heard about it, it's an affiliate marketplace focusing specifically on digital products, hence its name. So users like you and me have the option to select any product that we like, we can promote it, and then earn a commission from sales that are made through our leads. Although there are many other affiliate marketplaces around, and you can definitely use any one of them, I selected Digistore24 in particular just because I know that some of you people watching today are not from North America, and you may have a hard time accessing marketplaces like ClickBank. So if it works for you and you prefer it, go ahead and use that. But just as a backup, you can also choose Digistore24, no problem. Alright, so now I want you to create an account. It's super quick and painless, so I won't walk you through that process anymore. So once you're in, I just want you to log in and head over to categories. Because we'll be using the ebook that we just downloaded together with this platform, you'll also want to look for Make Money Online as the category. And you should be able to find products that are a good fit right here on internet marketing and e-business. So once you click on that category, the page should populate with related products. And while you can pick any that you like, I do want you to take note of the following items just to make sure that what you choose will be more or less an easy sell. First off is its popularity, which you can find right here along with the star rating. Now obviously, the more stars there are, the more popular it is. Secondly, to make sure that it's worth your while, you'll want to check for the commission rate or amount, which should be indicated right over here. So let's say you find a popular product that offers an unbelievably low commission rate, then I would say no to that. But if you find a popular product that offers a decent commission rate, then you'll know that you've found yourself a product. This one here, called Tube Mastery by Matt Parr, has 4.5 stars and offers a 50% commission rate, and that sounds good to me. Now, don't worry, I do know what you're thinking about, and it's where to find people to promote the product to. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. I've got you covered, and if you stick around, I will be revealing a very effective traffic source that will put you in front of thousands of people for absolutely free. So once you've found a product that's worth promoting, you can simply click on the Promote Now button to be able to instantly access your affiliate link. You might notice that the link starts with www.digistore24, and it's kind of a dead giveaway to people who see your link that you are an affiliate and are promoting something. And while it isn't always the case, some people do get put off by seeing something like that immediately because, well, no one likes a hard sell. So to prevent that, what I recommend would be to take that affiliate link to bit.ly.com and shorten your link. It will look less cluttered, it will work better with your promotional materials, and it should also conceal the fact that the link is an affiliate link. Besides, it'll also only take you 5 seconds to do it, so take a look at my screen now. There we have our bit.ly link. Alright, so now that we're done with that, you can move on to the next step, which is also another platform called pdf2docx.com. It's basically just a free online converter where you can take PDF files and convert them to document files that you can edit as you please. So remember the ebook that we downloaded in step 1? It was downloaded as a PDF file, right? And that makes it uneditable. So that's what we'll be converting right here. Doing this will allow us to change the book up, to personalize it, to add details that we want, and most importantly, to add something that we need to complete our strategy. So to do that, you can simply click on Upload File to open it up and convert it. And once you see the yellow download button below it, you should be good to go. You get an editable version of the file right away and for completely free. Alright, now that you have a document file of your ebook, you can change the title if you want to, but what's most important for you to do would be to add your affiliate link inside. I usually recommend that you insert the link at the start of the book and somewhere close to the end, but if you find other places that you think might work, then you can go ahead and add them there too. Just make sure not to go overboard, okay? Of course, you cannot just paste your link without a title or an intro. No one would click on that. You'll need a hook, something that talks about the digital product and what it can do for them. For example, something along the lines of the best ways to make money online, or something like simple and effective online money-making strategy. After you copy that text, you can paste your link right beside it. After editing, you can simply convert your document back into a PDF file by simply saving it as a PDF file on Microsoft Word or by using the same platform pdf2docx.com. Now we've reached the last platform that we'll be using for this strategy, and it's called free-ebooks.net. It's a platform that gives users free access to up to as much as 5 free ebooks each month, which is completely awesome. As you can see here on SimilarWeb, it's quite popular and receives over 1 million visits each and every month. Most of the users also come from the US, so that's another plus. This information alone tells us that the ebooks posted here receive quite a number of downloads, so even if you just get 10 out of the millions of people on here to buy from your link, which is ultra conservative, you should get over $1,700 of free money in a completely passive manner. So go ahead and register for an account to this platform, log into your account, and that's it. You should be able to upload your ebook and be able to put that in front of the millions of individuals who can access this website and your ebook on a monthly basis. Like I said, this strategy is simple, it's straightforward, it's 100% free to do, but best of all, it's win-win for both you and your customer. I hope that you enjoyed today's content and that you drew a lot of inspiration and motivation from it. If you did, well, I urge you to get started right away. Doing so will take you a step forward and bring you that much closer to achieving all of your money goals. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, then go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. I do read each and every message that you leave for me and appreciate it a lot. And if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we do post multiple times a week and all of our content is designed to help you make more money online. Also show us some appreciation by hitting the like and share buttons below if you're feeling extra nice. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on the next one.